Hello folks, this is John again. Just a quick info today. Next week I will be conducting a mixing contest. Finally, that's something I always wanted to do, but I never had any prizes to give away. And that is where Mercurial comes in. Yes, the Mercurial. They teamed up with me and sent me some free download codes for all of their major amp simulation plugins. So there we have prizes, and so I'll be conducting a mixing contest. So next week, next Friday, I will upload a video with all the information. This is really just to let you know. And next Monday, I will be uploading the song that you will be mixing. It's the song Cage from our latest album Revive with vocals. So that's something to look forward to. Here's a little snippet of that song. And I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun mixing that one. So until then, I hope you can get excited and have a good one.